You can drop the bad cop act.
It's not, but you can drop the act with me. It's cool.
Captain's not here, Sarge. You can drop the act.
Drop the act.
I'll drop the act.
Just drop the act.
Oh, you can drop the act.
She's gone. You can drop the act now.
It's not.
Please drop the act.
You can drop the act, Helen Mirren.
You can drop the act, Laurel.
You can drop the act.
All right, you can just drop the act, Tommy. I know what's going on here.
You also felt the pressure.
I swear.
Drop the act, Olivia.
But I'll give it a shot.
Give it a shot. Hey. I'll give it a shot.
I'll give it a shot.
I'll give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Okay, I'll give it a shot.
Hey, I'll give it a shot.
Okay, I'll give it a shot. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Sure, I'll give it a shot.
I'll give it a shot.
I'll give that a shot.
Give it a shot. I'll give it a shot.
And you two hit me up for the next episode.
Yeah, Pam, hit me up.
Kel, hit me up with it.
Hit me up.
Hit me.
Look, they hit me up on.
Hit me up.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Chop, chop.
Chop chop! Chop chop! Chop chop!
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. Chop, chop.
Chop chop!
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. Having a clue.
Honestly, I haven't a clue.
I haven't a clue.
I haven't a clue.
And a clue.
I haven't a clue.
I haven't got a clue.
I haven't got a clue.
Thankfully, I haven't. Truth is, I haven't got a clue.
War? You ain't got a clue what?
Got a line on them lately?
I haven't a clue. Last thing I...
See, you haven't got a clue.
What's that all about?
I haven't got a clue. Do you?
Haven't a clue.